I hope everyone is here now. Okay, few of them are left. Just let it be. Let them be in. I hope Jayesh has corrected this work. I told Jayesh to correct his work. Have you corrected it, Jayesh?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay, now let me see. Who has posted his work? Kushagra has posted his work. Kushagra, good beta. Okay, good, Kushagra.
Ma'am, we have to post our work on WhatsApp group.
Yes, sir. Only when I will ask you, then only you have to post it. Okay?
हमें तो वो करते हो
I will post. Can I post?
Yes, yes. Okay.
Ma'am.
हाँ बेटा.
Ma'am, what we will do now?
We will. I'm just starting. Just let me. I was waiting for others to let in. Okay. Now it's 9 a.m. Now we are going to start.
Okay,
We are going to now. First question I have done. Similarly, you have to do other questions. I'm going to tell you the what questions you have to do. You don't have to do all the questions. Only a few of them.
Ma'am, your video is off.
My video is off. I know my video is off. Just wait for 2 minutes. I'm just opening it. I will tell you what you have to do now. Just wait for a second, okay? Okay, play sound when 20. Okay. Now I am opening my video. Now what you have to do? Now be ready with your notebooks again. Okay? Okay. I think Saif has sent something.
Ma'am, ready.
Okay, Saif. Okay, Saif. Done.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
So, first question I have done. Now I'm going to tell you what questions you have to do it yourself. Okay? And I can ask any one of you to share the screen. Those who are present here, I can ask anyone. Do you know how to share the screen?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I will tell you. I will tell you.
No, ma'am.
Chalo, do this. First of all, everyone do this question. Now, question 1 we have already done. Leave 2 lines in between. Draw the ending line. Draw the ending line. Leave 2 lines in between. Everyone switch on your video. I want to see your videos. I want to see your videos. Okay. Next is, second question is 2 and I have to find out the question of 2 and 3. Okay, let me spotlight my video first so that all you must can see. Now, is it okay now? All of you can see?
Yes,
Do it yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Do it yourself.
Ma'am, I have done.
Good. Who is this? Who said I have done?
Ma'am, Devarya.
Beta, whenever you complete your work, you just raise your hand, and Dave, your writing and everything should be neat and clean. Otherwise, I will ask you to do it again.
Okay, ma'am.
You have to find out the 4 common multiples of these.
Ma'am, I have fine.
4 to the 6.
If you have done, then you have to raise your hand, okay?
Ma'am, I have raised. Ma'am, it is not coming.
Agrim is here? Agrim is here or not?
Ma'am, I have raised my hand.
Okay, I can see Anshuman and Utsav. Beta, show me once on WhatsApp
Ma'am,
quickly. Dev and Anshuman and Utsav, quickly show me on WhatsApp. Riddhi, you also show me the work on WhatsApp.
मेरे सुनो, अभी तो मेरी मैथ्स की वाली क्लास खत्म हो जाएगी, तो 10 मिनट का ब्रेक है, उसमें मैं आपको एक काम दूंगा, आपको वो करना है, ठीक है?
If you are not able to understand, then tell me. I will explain you. Okay, Utsav has said.
4,
Utsav, I got it, beta.
6. कट गया? Flag this phone number.
Karin and Ashwik, who is this? Good. Utsav, very good, beta. Okay, good, Anshuman. You have done it correctly. Okay, good, Riddhi. Very good, Riddhi. Devansh Rai, very good, beta. Good. You all are doing really well. So I'm also writing here by the time. Okay.
Ma'am, how is mine?
Who's Devansh Rai? Riddhi Singh. Name, tell me the name.
Ma'am,
I have done.
My Devarya.
I said Dev, it's correct, beta. Beta, I don't know who is this Shweta Rathore name. With this name, Shweta Rathore. Who is this? Beta, who is this Shweta Rathore? You have not written the complete answer. You have not written 4 common multiples are. So the complete answer to, first of all, you will write down the multiples of 2. Those who are done, I think no. Those who are done, just raise your hand in the chat box. Write RAISE, not in the chat box, sorry. RAISE and HAND hand. Raise hand is written, just try raise the hand. Beta Sadhana Akshat. Akshat Pratap Singh, beta, I told you, you have to write this multiple, which is important. Akshat, if you can hear me, is he here?
Yes, ma'am.
Akshat, beta,
Yes,
you have to write down this multiple over here. M
Okay, ma'am.
your multiple of. You have not written this thing. Okay, next time,
Okay, ma'am.
correct it beta in your notebook, but don't send it. Okay, Sian knows this.
Post this also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Beta Jayesh, you have written there are 4 common multiples. Beta, there are more common multiples, but you will write here 4 common multiples are. There are no नहीं लिखेंगे. Okay, that will be the wrong statement. Okay, Jayesh, correct it, beta.
मैम
I think. Okay, 6, 12, 18, and 30. Beta, you have taken it out wrong. This one. Who is this? Wait. Who is this? Let me see. Neha Agarwal. Kushag. Kushag has done.
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
12, 18, 24. Okay. सही है. ठीक है. What Jayesh has done? 6, 12, 18, 24. 6, 12, 18. Beta, this one. Who is this? Kushagra, last number is wrong, beta. Last one is wrong.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Last one.
Okay, good, Saif. Very good, Saif.
Thank you, ma'am.
Adrika, beta, one is left. You have to take out 4 common multiples. Adrika, 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'm just completing it, okay?
Ma'am, can I one my? Ma'am, but in this 30 is also the common multiple.
Beta, but you have to take out the first 4. 30 is coming the 5th one. Okay? First 4 you have to take out. See the question carefully.
Ma'am,
Beta.
ma'am, should I send it again while correcting my mistakes?
No, not needed, beta. Once I tell you your mistake, you just corrected it, then don't send it, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Good. Very good, Agrain, Lakshita, very nice. Agrain, good. But Agrain, you have, acha, 6 is not visible in your this. Okay, good. Very nice, I must say. Okay, 6, then 12, then 18, then 24, then 30 will also be there, Kushal, as you have done in your notebook. 30 will also be there, but you have to write down only 3 common multiples. First 4. First 4.
Ma'am, I have sent it. Ma'am, I have corrected it.
Good, very good. 6, 12, 18, and 24.
Ma'am,
Beta?
the multiple of 2 and 3 is like a table of 6. 6 on the 6, 6 to the 12, 6 is the 18, 6 to the 24.
Yes, that's
It's
what
rather-
we say. Yes, it is about like that. This common multiples are like this only. Beta, I'm sending it out on WhatsApp, so you can once check it on WhatsApp also. If your answer is correct or not, I will once send it on WhatsApp.
Is my handwriting good?
Who is asking? Who is asking?
Ma'am, I
this?
am
Name, beta, name.
Adrika.
Adrika, yes, beta, it's very nice. All of you are doing a great work, 4C, everyone. Very well done, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I think most of you have done. Lakshita and Iram, I will check your answers. Okay, Iram, very good. Lakshita, very good. Now let's proceed to the next question. Do the third part yourself. Third part also you have to do it yourself, and the question is 3 and 9. See the third one. Now all of you will keep your hands down. Raise hand. Jisne bhi kiya tha. Seth has done. Varun has done. Rachit, Abhimanyu, you have not sent the work. Abhimanyu, Riddhi, Gunagya, everyone has done the work now. I can see everyone has done the work. Now everyone just do this question. Third one. 3 and 9. And I'm going to rub this and I'm going to send it on WhatsApp. If you, in case you have not done this work, I'm going to send it to you on WhatsApp. Do the third one now. Leave 2 lines in between.
Mhm. 27.
So I'm going to rub this as well. All of you have done this. I'll send it on WhatsApp also, this one. So I'm going to rub this.
36.
After this one, you have to write 3 and 9.
Yes, beta. Beta, what were we doing in reasoning? Can somebody tell me? Ashvik, you have done 3 and 9.
Then what?
Beta, third question you have done. Ashvik.
Ma'am, I have that.
Okay, Utsav also. Beta, what were you doing in reasoning? Can somebody tell me? Just wait for a minute.
Mathematical operations.
Mathematical operations.
Mathematical operation.
Okay, okay. I will teach you in a different way now. Mathematical operations. Little bit tougher.
Ma'am,
Yes, beta.
ma'am,
Sorry, beta.
ma'am, can we post our question number 3 on group?
3, question 3. Wait, beta. 3 and 4 also I'm giving. 3 and 4 you post it all together. 4 also I'm giving. Do both of them. 3 as well as 4 both. Then you can post it all together. Beta, switch sorry. Keep your hand down. Once you finish 3 and 4 together, then you raise your hand. Beta.
Ma'am, when will reasoning periods?
Reasoning will be there. There is same period of reasoning of maths. Okay. First do it. First complete it. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, if we in the 3 and 9, if the all 4 of first one in 9 are common multiples, then we will not write after them.
No, not needed. Not
Okay,
needed.
ma'am.
Once you find all the multiples, no need to write.
Ma'am, I was saying not that, ma'am. I was saying that in the 3, after every 2 words, the common multiples of 9 comes.
Yes.
In 9 table, they will all 4 the first one. So we will write after them. If
no, not needed. That's what I'm saying. No need to write after that. Suppose 9 4 the 36, and you got all the answers. No need to write after 36.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshita. Okay, sorry, Lakshita is here.
I have done. 9, 18.
Who is this Shweta Rathore name? Sorry, Lakshita. I just saw your message. Agrim. Okay, Agrim. Agrim, beta post 3 and 4 together. 3 and 4 together.
Okay, ma'am. Then I have a question.
Beta, third and fourth together.
8, 2, 5, 10, 2, 6, 12,
Good. This you sent me this. This was also very nice. Good, Utsav. Very good.
Second question is WhatsApp.
Beta, I didn't heard you.
Ma'am, I can send that question in WhatsApp.
Yes, yes. 3 and 4 together. Good, Agrim.
Nineteen, 20.
Lakshita, I am giving you one work. I will make you in charge of maths notebook. So what is that maths notebook work you have to do? Beta, you have to send me on my personal number, Lakshita. Lakshita, where is she? Lakshita, say yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Beta, all the work which we have done here today, you will send me on my personal number, okay, once, so that I can post it to the other ones, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. And every day you have to do this, Lakshita, for me, okay? Just post the work
Okay,
on my
ma'am.
personal number. You know my personal number, Lakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, who is this? Anshuman? Good, beta. Very
Yes,
nice. Very nice.
thank you, ma'am.
See, now if let's see here, 9 is coming. Just somebody asked me this question. Do we have to write more or not? So what we will do, 9 we got here, 18 we got here, 27 we got here, and 36 we got here. So 4 are completed here. So do we need to write more numbers? No, no need to write more numbers. Okay, just stop it here and put a dot 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 over here. Okay, sir, good.
I have posted my work.
Yes, I have seen. See, first answer is this one. If you want to check, once you can check here. Utsav, wait, Utsav, how many times will you send the work? You need to send it again and again. You have already sent.
Ma'am, वो धुंधली थी. Ma'am,
Wait, I got it. I have seen now. That's okay, it means. Okay, Riddhi, very good. Dave, good. Dave, you have not written this multiples over here. Multiples of 3. Dave,
Okay, ma'am. Next time I will write.
next time, like this time only, you will correct it. First, everyone check the answer. First one.
Ma'am, please see.
I will see. Wait.
Ma'am,
Now don't need to send the again. Who was showing me? Dave, you were showing me. Show here.
Yes.
Show here itself. Okay, wait, Dave. Let me see. Now it is correct. Good.
ma'am,
Beta.
now please tell us how to send photo on Zoom app. Like,
Yeah.
How to share screen?
Okay, share a screen. Beta, no need to. How, Beta, if you will share a screen, how will you get it? But just wait for a minute. Let me see. I will see this option on Zoom. I will tell you afterwards. Okay. Today I will see, and from tomorrow we will start. If it is possible, then we will start on Zoom itself. Let me see this option today. Share a screen.
you are saying to rotate the screen on Zoom.
No, no need to rotate. No. That's what I'm not. Good. Good, bache, all of you. I have got Devansh Rai. Sadhana, who is Sadhana?
Akshat was saying.
Akshat, yes, very good, Akshat. Devansh, good. Beta, as soon as this meeting will get over, you have to come back again. Okay, so I'm just completing this question quickly. 6, 12, 18, and 24. All of you check your answers from here.
Should I post the photo?
Beta, everyone is posting. Who is asking to post the work? Lakshita, nice, beta, good. Very good. Agrim. Agrim, how many times will you send the same work? No need to send again and again. Acha, Agrim was not there. That was somebody else. Yakshat Pratap Singh was there. Okay, sorry, beta. 6, 12, 18, and 24. Check your answers quickly. See this one? Check your answers quickly. I will send you this on WhatsApp also once.
Ma'am, you will give more multiples or we will do
First, beta, now we will start the next question. 4 questions have been done. 6 questions are given in your book. So we have done, out of 6, we have done 4. Now we will do everyone, Iram, Adrika, Utsav, Jayesh, Riddhi, put your hands down. Your hands are raised. Just keep them down, beta. Ashvik, Adrika, I got it, beta. I will check your answers and I will tell you. Adrika, Ashvik, it's correct. Ashvik, it is correct. Adrika, it is correct, beta. And Rachit, it is also correct. Good. Very nice.
Ma'am.
Adrika,
Ma'am.
are you sending again, beta?
Ma'am, now
Good,
we
Adrika.
will do the reasoning questions.
I have one question.
Beta. Yes, sir.
Ma'am, the meeting will over at 9:35 and we have to join again at 3:35.
Yes,
9:30.
yes.
9:35.
Yes. With the same link. I will send the link again. Don't worry, I will send the link again because it is so much above the papers that you have sent. So I will send the link again. Then you can join it again.
Then the meeting will be over. Meeting will be ended by technical issue on which timing?
Let it be, beta. It will end after 7 minutes, but you have to rejoin it for 5 minutes again. Okay? Okay, check your answers quickly. I have checked all your answers, but once you check it yourself. Are they correct or not? You can see the board? All of you can see the board clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Just see this, see the answers.
Ma'am, I have checked.
Okay. Now, shall I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I am going to run this all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to start the next question.
Ma'am, it is question number B.
Sorry, question B. Now we are going to start question B. Write the LCM of the following numbers. LCM you have
Ma'am,
already.
this question we have to write a copy now.
Yes. I'm writing here.
And
Okay,
with
ma'am.
the next page. And with the similar page or the next page.
Beta, it's better if you start from a new page. It is better. Now I will tell you how to do. Start from a new page, everyone. It will be easy for you to check which question is on which page. So I'm going to tell you how to do this. Do in the same way I'm telling you. Start this from a new page. Put down the date. Okay. No need to write down the topic. Let it be. Write the LCM. And I'm also writing notebook, new page. From a new page you started, then I will tell you. At the top, first one, you write the LCM of the following numbers. See this, like this you have to do. Write this heading. It's very easy, beta, okay? Find out the LCM. Beta, question 1 and question 2, we will do on one page. Question 1 and question 2, we will do on one page. But right now, we are going to do only question 1. 1 and 2 on one page, 3 and 4 on next page. Understood? 1, 2 on one page, 3, 4 on next page you will do. Okay, it will be neat and clean and it will look nice. I'm telling you. Okay, so write the LCM of this way. Right, first one is 9 and 12. So LCM, beta, बिल्कुल same way में we have to take out this LCM. We have to take out the LCM in the same way as we have taken out the common multiples. बस common नहीं निकालने, first common निकालना है हमें. First 3 or first 4 common we don't have to take out. Only one common we have to take out. The first one.
Ma'am, most smaller. Ma'am, most lowest.
Yes,
The
most
most
lowest, or you
lowest
can
and
say the
smaller.
smallest one. Okay, I'm just quickly ending this as multiple of 9. 9 is 8, 9 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54, 9 6
हाँ.
So beta, as you can see here, multiples of 9 and 12 I have taken out. Now I will find out 12 is not there, 24 is not there, 36 is there also, and 36 is there also. Only the first common you have to take out. So you will write here LCM and then you will put a bracket of 9, 12 is equal to how much? 36. Simple. No need to take out more numbers. If you want to take out, you can take out. But here we get the answer. Here it is ended. Understood? You can take out more if you want. Like 53, 72. So you will get 60, 72. Then you will get 672 also common here. You can circle it out, but for the least one out of 36 and 72, which is small. 36 is the smallest, so we will write 36.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the way. And question 2 we will do on the same page. Question 3 we'll do on a new page. And beta, do rejoin this meeting as soon as this ends. I'm going to send you the link again. You can come with the same meeting again.
अच्छी नहीं लगती
Ma'am.
मजा नहीं आ रहा
That Baddu.
है